welcome back, YouTube. So as we get ready to close out these candles and get a more concrete idea of the next cycle, it's looking pretty good here in the short-term time frames. GDP numbers came out today and they beat expectations. The stock market had a bit of a relief rally, and looking at the prices here on the charts, it's looking like we're getting some rejections from the downside. So this is going to be an indicator of us building strength or preparing for the next move upward. Both of those are very good on the short-term time frames for crypto. So for Bitcoin here, you see this really long wick here on this candle. That's not indicating a breakdown. That's indicating a pushback upward. We're having a bit of a sell-off, but we're having a pushback upward here. We're at the 22,989 mark, still $200 over. Our next price target is going to be obviously around like 25K. So this is a good sign here on the short-term time frame. So we'll be looking to see where this closes, and we should have a green candle form next. Let's take a look here. See, because yesterday they were pretty much moving in unison. Let's take a look here. Yeah, we're getting a rejection here for Ethereum as well. So everything still kind of looks like moving in sync. So we should be, because our target for Ethereum is going to be that 1674 mark. Let's check ADA. Okay. Yep, rejection here. So yeah, we're moving in sync. We have that gap up here. So 44 is still the target. So yeah, we're looking at the closure of this candle, and we're going to get some concrete answers here very soon. Same thing with Doge. Rejection here, like really nice, right off of the 21-day almost. So still bouncing off of this line here. So we should, especially with this rejection with the green candle, that'll be the one to break it. So that's something definitely to look forward to in the next or the next candle closure is to, if it's green, that'll be the one to break it, because we've been very consistent with bouncing off of this line here. So we want to make sure that that breaks for Doge, so that we can get in position to go retest this 9.5 mark roughly. So that's going to be the great thing for the short-term time frame for Dogecoin. So let me check shorts here on Doge while I'm here. Make sure, because they like to sneak up. Nothing. Yeah, nothing really. Let's check Bitcoin. Yeah, nothing, non-existent. So we're in good shape. We're in good shape. We know the market maker here is going to give us like some insight. But yeah, that candle is looking like we're going to close maybe even green, but possibly this is still going to be a rejection here unless we get like a huge sell-off relatively quickly sometime tonight, which it's not impossible, but it's unlikely. So we should close this with a rejection and then start our ascend, or even build support here, because it doesn't necessarily have to mean that because we got a rejection that's going to take off or anything. But overall, this is good. This is a good sign for the support building in the area, or at least getting a break upward. So either way, that's good. I think this is partially due to the GDP numbers. They rose something like 2.9% in the fourth quarter. So this is kind of easing some of that recession talk. I'm going to release a video a little later. It's roughly around 4 a.m. Eastern time right now. So I'm going to release a video a little later after you guys are watching this, going over the economy. But a lot of this price action is kind of coming in off of that, because it's kind of like relieving some of the recession talk that we'll have here. So, but we still have some indicators saying that it's possible, but those indicators that we're getting on the macro are saying that, okay, well, we have an opportunity here to not go into recession. So we'll see. We'll see. But overall, short-term time frames are looking absolutely great. This is a great sign for crypto as of right now on the short-term time frame. So ultimately, we're going to see where these candles closing. So it's looking like it's closing as a rejection. So we'll kind of see over the next couple of days or so, are we going to build up support or are we going to get that movement up? So slowing down here with the, because I know the swingers and stuff like that are kind of on the edge of their seat, because you can see the volume and stuff kind of having a descend as people are kind of waiting to say, okay, do we get in or are we going to have better entries and stuff like that? So I know it's kind of, crypto sometimes it's one of those hurry up and wait situations. So everything moves slow until it doesn't. But, this is why we chart. This is why we look at things so that we can kind of get an idea of what to expect next, so that we're not just kind of trading hopium and fear and stuff like that. So that is the price point update for crypto. I give you Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and Doge. So those are the points that we're looking for as of today. If something crazy happens, I'll provide you with another update. So if you enjoy anything I had to say, like the video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, check out Moomoo. You can get up to 15 free stocks when you open a new account with them. I have a link in the description section. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.